In this video, I'm going to show you how to activate Windows 10 or Windows 11 without product key for free. If you find this useful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. So the first step you need to do is to go to your taskbar at the bottom, then go to the search icon and click on it. Then search for CMD. Then you are going to run as administrator. Just click on it. Then this command prompt will pop up on your screen. So once you are here, you are just going to copy this command text. You will copy this command text here. I'm going to leave this command text on the video description. So you are going to copy this command text. Copy. Then you will now paste it here on the command prompt. Go to edit, then paste. Then press on enter. Then once you've entered that, this pop-up will appear on your screen. Key management service machine name, this one successfully. Click on OK. Then again go to the this text. You are also going to copy this one. Copy. Then come and paste it here. Once you've done that, just press on enter. Then you are going to give it a little bit of time until this pop-up appears on your screen. So as you can see, activating Windows Co-edition product activated successfully. So in order to confirm that your Windows has been activated, you will go to your taskbar at the bottom, then go to search, then search for settings, then open settings, then you will go to update and security. Then here you are going to see these options on your left. Now you will see activation under recovery, so click on it. Then at the top here, under activation Windows, you will see that your Windows is activated with digital license. So you will see the edition of your Windows, then you will see activation, meaning that your Windows is activated. So that's it guys, that's how to activate Windows 10 or Windows 11 without product key for free. I hope this video was useful, and if it was, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel. Thank you guys for watching and hope to see you in the next one.